Praise be Jesus and Mary.
now and forever.
And out of joy goes and sells all that he has and buys that field. Brothers and sisters, I don't know if you have read or have you have seen the film of J.R.R. Tolkien's, in The Lord of the Ring. No? And in that book or in that film, there is a personality, a character, whose name is Gollum. No? Gollum. And his name before he received the ring, was Smigol. Smigol. No? And what happened to him? No? Because he saw that ring to be, sabi nga, my precious. No? His precious. No? It becomes her only treasure. And sabi nga ni J.R.R. Tolkien, the ring consumed him. It consumed him. So from being a Smigol, he became Gollum. No? For being a hobbit, which is at least beautiful in some way, he became ugly, almost like a monster. No? When he was consumed by that treasure. No? Kaya nga, it becomes very famous, yung word, my precious. No? And see what happened to him. No? In all his life, he dedicated only to that ring. No? On the other hand, there's another personality or character, or we can say a person, who is from Assisi. And his name is Francis. Francis found God. And it becomes his sole treasure. He left his family, he left all he has, until he was able to say, not only by words, but by example, my God and my all. And he became one of the most famous saints of the Catholic Church, Saint Francis of Assisi. See these two examples, Gollum and Saint Francis. Both of them gave all for the treasure they hold. Gollum, for him, his treasure is the ring. Saint Francis, on the other hand, found his treasure in God. And see, my brothers and sisters, the gospel today is a beautiful gospel, even though it's only brief, because it challenges us. Sabi ko nga, dun sa aking spiritual child, God is a God of challenge. Because God is not boring. God is not boring. God always challenges us to do what is right, to give all, hindi dikit lang. Sabi nga sa Bicol, marami yung mahilig lang sa dikit. And we can see, sad to say, those mentality na sinasabi, ay naku, huwag ka masyadong magpaano dyan sa simbahan. Baka lumagpas ka na sa langit niyan. You have also to give. To give something for yourself, to give something for your loved ones. See? Creating dichotomy. And that is the problem. There are many erroneous ideas today. They thought that if you give totally to God, even if you are lay, no? Of course for us religious, it is already counted, no? But sometimes some or many also forgot that when you enter religion, when you enter to the priesthood, it means giving up all that you have for God. No? And yet, no, there is this idea, no, that you cannot give all to God because you have to also have something for yourselves. No? Because if not, they will say, no, they will say that no, you are not also a true person, a true human, no? If you forgot your loved ones, yourself, no? Of course. But is it really true? Totoo ba yun? No. Because remember, no, that if you leave those things for God, no, ano ba sabi ni Lord sa gospel, mga tugang, mga brothers and sisters? No, no one who leaves father, mother, sister, brother, for me and for the kingdom of God will not receive it 100-fold. Di ba? And that is what Saint Francis achieved. No? When we are not afraid to lose all for God, God is not that indifferent to what we do. No? Kapag ibinigay mo lahat sa Diyos, sabi nga, di ba, napakagandang isang kanta na minsan hindi napapakinggan natin sa misa. No? Yung isang kanta na, lahat ay aking ibibigay pati aking buhay. No? All. When we give all to God, God multiplies it. Katulad nung gospel last time, di ba? Yung pagpapakain yung the miracle of multiplication of bread and fish. So also, why are we afraid? Bakit tayo natatakot na ibigay kay Lord lahat? One of the reason is that God is not our treasure. No? Kasi tignan nyo, no? Sa gospel, no? Yung dalawa, yung isa nakakita ng pearl, yung isa nakakita ng treasure. And yet, they gave all. No? Alam nyo, that is an examination of conscience for you and for me. Si God ba talaga ang aking treasure? O baka katulad tayo ni Gollum, no? We are like Gollum or Smigol, no? We have other treasure. Yung iba, ang treasure ay cellphone. Yung iba, ang treasure ay Facebook. Yung iba, ang treasure ay pera. Yung iba, ang treasure ay yung kanilang ego. Yung iba, ang treasure, marami. No? The reason we cannot give all to God is because we have many other treasure in our life. Karangyaan, kayabangan, inggit, no? Envy, no? We have this treasure, that's why we cannot give all to God. No? Hindi lang naman yung treasure, yung pera, yung bahay, no? It can be all. It can be a person also. Maaring anak mo, maaring kapatid mo, maaring magulang mo, maaring kaibigan mo, maaring girlfriend mo, maaring boyfriend mo, they can be all treasure. If you put too much and underline too much importance on those things and person. No? And sad to say, although of course I'm not telling that they are not important, no, they are also important in our life, but they should not replace God as our true treasure. Kasi time will come, no? And the reality is, no, nangyayari na. Darating ang panahon, mawawala yung girlfriend mo, mawawala yung boyfriend mo, mawawala yung nanay mo, yung tatay mo, yung pera mo, yung kamag-anak mo. No? Time will come na yung mga pinanghahawakan mo, mawawala sa iyo yan. No? And experience really said that. No? So, saan ka na ngayon? Where will you go? Kapag nawala na yung mga yon, where will you go? No? Sasabihin mo, paano ang puso ko kung wala ka? No? Where will you go? No? Down. You will become like Gollum. No? You will become like Gollum. You will become so depressed. You will become so sad that little by little, it will eat you inside and outside. Kaya nga alam nyo, mga brothers and sisters, hindi sa tinatakot ko po kayo. I'm not here to make you fear. No. I'm just telling you, no, that whatever treasure there is in our life, lose it. No? Give it to God. Offer it to God. Lord, I offer you. Sabi nga, di ba? Napakaganda. Ewan ko kung bakit hindi natin kinakanta dito, no? But it's a very famous, although it's not Catholic, but I think it is also can be sung, no? Yung kanta na, di ba? Lord, I offer my life to you. Everything I've been through. Use it for your glory. Diba? Lord, I offer it all to you. Lord, ino-offer ko yung anak ko sa iyo. Lord, ino-offer ko sa iyo yung girlfriend ko. Lord, ino-offer ko sa iyo yung boyfriend ko. Lord, ino-offer ko sa iyo yung nanay at tatay ko. No? That is giving all to God. And God will accept it. God will use it for your good. Kasi kapag hindi natin in-offer yan, no, tendency, no, and experience teaches us that it becomes, no, a reason for us to be far from God. No? Minsan yan ang nagiging dahilan kaya tayo napapalayo sa Diyos at napapasama ang ating buhay. So my brothers and sisters, let us ask our Mother Perpetual Help. No? Let Jesus challenge us every day. No? Let our Blessed Mother, our Mother Perpetual Help, Mary Co-Redemptrix, help us not to be afraid to give all to God, to offer all to God. Praise be Jesus and Mary.